Okay. In 7 and 8 here, we have two more multiplication and division questions. So again, we're going to factor first on the multiplication question, and there doesn't appear to be a greatest common factor. So since there's three terms, we have two binomials. First term in each has to be x. And then we need factors of 15, negative 15 that add up to 2. So we got 1 and 15, or 3 and 5. Looks like 3 and 5 can get us a 2. So we're going to need a positive 5, since the larger number is needs to be positive, and a negative 3. And in the bottom, there does not appear to be any factoring there. That's already factored. And in the numerator here, there does look like there is a greatest common factor of 2, which leaves you with an x plus 2. And in the denominator here, there's no greatest common factor. So three terms, we have two sets of parentheses. Need factors of 10 that add up to 7. And I believe that would be positive 2 and positive 5. So now we can go ahead and start canceling. Is there an x plus 5 on the bottom? There is. Is there an x minus 3 on the bottom? There does not appear to be. Is there just a 2 or a factor of 2 on the bottom? There's not. And then is there an x plus 2 on the bottom? Yes, there is. So what's left in our numerator for our final answer? We have a 2 and x minus 3. And in our denominator, we have an x plus 2. Okay, so there's your final answer on number 7. On number 8, again, this is division. We're going to flip and multiply. I'm going to flip and multiply. Okay, so we're going to first start with the first fraction. We're going to factor both numerator and denominator. So we look for greatest common factor, which appears there's a 2 and there's also an x. So we take a 2x out, and you're going to be left with something minus something. Take a 2x out of 4x squared, and that leaves you with 2x. Take a 2x out of 2x, and that goes in there one time. Okay. Then in the denominator, there does not appear to be a greatest common factor. So the first term in each would be x. Factors of 4 that add up to 5. Looks like that would be 1 and 4. Okay. And the second fraction, remember, the denominator will become the new numerator. The numerator will become the new denominator. So the 2x is just going to stay down there by itself. And the numerator here will then be an x and an x. Factors of 1 that add up to 2. That's pretty nice. That's just 1 and 1. So now we can start canceling. Is there a factor of 2x on the bottom? There is. Is there a 2x minus 1 in the denominator? There is not. Is there an x plus 1 in the denominator? There is. Is there a second one? There does not appear to be. So in the numerator, we've got 2x minus 1 and a x plus 1. And then in your denominator, we have an x plus 4. And that'll be your final answer on number 8.